As the festive season is all around us, let's make some healthier version of laddus. All we need is some nuts and seeds, which are a healthy source of fats, and combine them with jaggery for sweetness. Sounds simple, right? Well, they are very easy to make as well. Let's see how. But before that, let's look at the nutritional properties of our ingredients. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fats, good for skin, nails, and hair. They are a rich source of dietary fibers, believed to improve heart health. Sesame seeds. They are a good source of B vitamins, good source of fiber, good source of healthy fats. Desiccated coconut. Ideal source of healthy fats, good source of fiber, contains copper, selenium, and many other nutrients. Almonds. Good source of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and protein. Loaded with antioxidants, good source of vitamin E, can help lower bad cholesterol. Pumpkin seeds. Loaded with valuable nutrients, high in antioxidants, can help lower blood sugar level. Jaggery. Contains antioxidants and minerals which give it a cytoprotective qualities. Helps improve digestion when consumed with meals as dessert. Great alternative to processed sugar. Jaggery is packed with iron and phosphorus, which helps in the production of hemoglobin in the body. Let's do it in steps. So, step 1 would be dipping the jaggery in some warm water and keeping aside. Step 2 is roasting all the nuts and seeds. We will begin with the flax and sesame seeds. Let them roast and splutter on low heat. It won't take more than 5 minutes. Once they are done, keep it aside. Next up is desiccated coconut. Lightly brown it and add them to the roasted flax and sesame seeds. Then comes our almonds. It's the same drill, brown them lightly and keep aside. And lastly, the pumpkin seeds. For exact quantities, check the description box below. Once they cool down, we go to step number 3. Grind the dry roasted nuts and seeds into coarse powder. Just an advice, you might have to ground almonds separately because they might take a little extra time. Step 4. Add the jaggery along with the water and boil it till it gets to one string sticky consistency. That might take 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Now add the powder to the jaggery and combine. Add a tablespoon of ghee and combine well. Now switch off the flame and let the mixture cool a bit. Step 5 is to make the laddus while the mixture is warm, or else it would harden if you let it cool completely. And there you go. Our super easy, healthy flaxseed laddus are ready to eat. Now eat without guilt this festive season, but do remember, calories always count. So eat in moderation and wish you all a very happy festive season ahead. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.